soak in some fruits. So we'll be using is our raisin, prunes, cranberries, dates, white rum, and red label wine. Half cup raisins, half cup cranberries, half cup prunes, and half cup dates. So we're gonna just turn up the flame a little, and you want to make sure that the wine is actually covering the fruits. You want to make sure that the liquid is covering the fruits. Alright, so this is good. So this is for demonstration purpose only. That is why I'm doing just this amount, because I do have my mixed fruits already ready for baking. Alright, so we're gonna leave that. So we're gonna turn the flame up a bit and leave that to boil. I'll let you know how long. Let me set a timer off. Let me set it for 20 minutes first, and I'm gonna check on it. This is a bubbling. Look at it. It smells so good. All right, so we have 17 minutes to go. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is half cup red label wine and half cup of white rum, and I am just gonna fill this. Now you can leave it as is or to soak, or you can blend it and let it stay, right? So it's totally up to you. So you can just make sure that the liquid is covering the fruits. If you're gonna leave it like this, ensure that it is covering the fruits, right? All right, so this is for demonstration purpose. Okay, so this is for demonstration purpose. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it like this. This is the way I like to do it. I like to leave it as is, and then when I'm almost ready to use it, I blend it and then add some more wine and some more rum to it. Yes, so I like to leave it as is, cover it in a tight container, and then when I'm ready to use it, I'll blend. All right, so this is my fruit, and I think it needs a little bit more liquid. want to help me?